In this video, we will look at assign material to objects in our dimension scene. Materials affects the way objects look in the 3D scene. They contain information about the color, the roughness, the bumps, and much more. Dimension already comes with a library of highly realistic materials you can pick from. You can also browse the Substance 3D assets sets to find thousands of traditional materials. There are different ways to apply a material. You can drag and drop it to the model or target the model directly in the scene panel. With the model selected, you can also click the material you want to apply in the Assets panel. If you want to isolate a specific area that are not separate object in your model, use the magic wand by clicking on the wand icon or by pressing the shortcut A. Hold Shift to add new areas to your selection. To access a material's parameters, double-click the object on which it is applied. The Material tab contains all the options that you can adjust. You can scale, rotate, and position your material, and also control its resolution. Most materials are parametric, which means you can customize them even further. Experiment with presets and play with the sliders until you are satisfied with the look of your model. You can spot parametric materials by the little sliders that appears in the lower right corner of the preview. If you want to reuse a material that's already being applied in your project, you use the Sampler tool. Access it by clicking on the eyedropper in the toolbar, or by pressing the shortcut I. Click on the material you want to sample and then hold Shift and click on the target. Don't forget to press V to go back to select mode. By doing so, you create an instant of your first material, which means every change you make on one will update on the other. To break the link and adjust them separately, go to the Materials tab and click Unlink Material. Have fun combining and customizing materials to create unique models.